feel the waters warm, unbalanced tip the scale of symbiotic life, in shallows we prevail. We, not human. We, not plant. We are algae. Listen to our chant. Horizon lines rush green with algae farms of prospect and potential. These glowing tubes cultivate an ecological essential. We are diplomats on site and foster mutual obligation to tending systems that prevent environmental degradation. Here in Nam is a gold rush past, where monumental building conveys grandeur, wealth and class. Megaforms and mass, humans justify it for the civic. Burden on the land we find, toxicity prolific. True splendour is in the micro, bacterial and small, the inner workings of our world, hidden in the fall. Green rush to come and see the world from our perspective, an architecture that aspires for ecological correctives. Through submerged tubes, we invite you humans come and see our microbiological mates at work, transforming all your pee. Don't forget the number 2s converted here on site, from molten brown to liquid gold by bacteria and light. Situated on Site 6 of the Western Water Treatment, sewerage and sludge, an environment we frequent. We collaborate with the humans of Pollutant Operations and Opportunities, POO for short, in a building that engages with microbial sensations. We gather pooled in bulbous pods, neutralizing harmful gases, drinking sulfur oxide and the sun to make clean air for the masses. Grow rooms emerge like crystal rocks from strong and deep foundations. Community gardens fertilized by urine applications. School children come in giggling droves through tubes and platform stations, delighted by the prospect of pollutant operations. We connect in threads of sprawling pipe, undulating and converging, on anchor points designated for infrastructures now emerging. The Microfutures building is a hub for understanding of our uses. Scientists do say we have bounty in our juices. Rapid growth and nutrient riches define our status quo. We cultivate protein and minerals, our pleasure to bestow. This gift to you when all else fails and crops begin to wither. Future foods and biofuel, we relentless, we the giver. Static buildings bore, a thing of the past. Now they pulse and hum with fervour. Curtain wall rejigged, activated as aquatic life preserver. Green Rush presents new typological behaviour, a hybrid case of building and biology, our climate crisis saviour. Transparent extrusions suspended at the crest. Let UV rays swell our cells in bioreactor nests. Architecture photosynthesized with nature. Algaeland rethinks infrastructural nomenclature. The humans on Site 4 offer power generators with self-sustaining systems and communal activators. Two-wheeled mechanisms, we heard they are called bikes. Charge and whir, motion blur, and then a big blue light. This exchange is what we know our future holds for us. Regenerative systems we rely upon and trust. We replace passive balustrades with active bio-braces. Superhighway of green lines join the algaculture chasers. Follow us along our boardwalk to the sea, where sculptures graze and multiply our exposure to UV. Every opportunity for light we tug and grab, our source of sustenance and wealth converted in a lab. We relish in the thought that you humans know our worth. Our productive traits yield half the oxygen on this earth. Your breath is our breath, it's all part of the exchange. In this architecture, the reflection of a change. In our society, the way in which we think. Infrastructure no longer, balanced on the brink. Ostracized and shunned to the fringes of your bounds, your waste is someone else's shit, poo catchers frolic, browned. In Algaeland, there is no escaping. The infrastructural overture destined for creating. Hybrid futures where infrastructure meets its maker. Organisms hidden in microscopic variation. So welcome to the site, this arcade your destination. A place for entertainment and didactic exploration. The Alga Theatre presents new cinematic types, the stars of this production, microscopic in their might. Change the scale of where you find nourishment and land connection. See us magnified beneath the sky and foster an affection. Concrete pillars bolster, a set of pools for friends to bloom. Alga culture farming, a local enterprising boom. At Sovereign Hill you pan for gold, at Site 6 you pan for green. Algae is the hidden worker, now it must be seen. From the winding walkways, a vision of the ocean, lined with macroalgae, seaweed farms in motion. A tradition not new to Wadawurrung country, where Aboriginal peoples harvest various and sundry. Marine plants who live suspended in the water column, the basis of our food chain, but there is a problem. Hidden habitats under threat, a byproduct of your lifestyle. From warming seas and cleaved trees, greed masked with a wry smile. We sense you land walkers feel an urgency for action. Change is near, you hold the key to eco-satisfaction. Wade with us through the muck, immersed in the deep. Aquamarinescape, forever ours to keep. Let algae bloom and loom in plumes, green rushes to the dome. Algaeland, the centre for microbials to roam. Horizon lines rush green with algae farms of prospect and potential. These glowing tubes cultivate an ecological essential. We, not human. We, not plant. We are algae. Listen to our chant.